Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be doing a headband wig. It's basically a headband and attached to a wig. Like, it's literally what it sounds like. My hair is really puffy most of the time, so like wigs don't really work out for me because it's not flat enough even after I braid it, because it's just so thick. I would have to do like 1,000 mini braids for it to be as flat as I want it to be. Yeah, today my hair's like semi flat iron, so it could work out. It's gonna work out just because my hair is like pretty flat, and if I comb it back it will be really flat. I did get it from Jaja Hair. They sell 100% human wigs. Before I get more into that, please like, comment, share, and subscribe at the end of this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @momoash and on Snapchat at mo.vibe. I mentioned before, it's Jaja Hair, 100% human hair wigs. It's not synthetic. He sent me the wig, of course, and it looks like this. So in the top part, there's obviously the headband, and then you just have the hair. I'm gonna get a spray bottle just to like spray this hair and make the curls look more defined and pretty. The only thing is, this hair is black and my hair is brown, as you guys can see. So what I did was, hoping it works, I bought this edge control that basically turns your hair black. It conceals gray hairs just for like thinning edges. Like if your edges are really thin, this could like darken it and stuff. So I was like, let me try and get this, because that's the only way it's more gonna blend with this headband wig, since my hair's brown and not black. They also provided me with 3 other headbands that look like this. So the first one looks like that. They're really cute. This one looks like that, and then this one looks like this. They also give you a wig cap, and that's really about it. So we just gonna go ahead and jump into this video. My hair needs to be washed, so after this video I'm about to just wash my hair, and that's it for the straight hair. First thing I'm gonna do is just get my spray bottle. Just gonna spray my hair and brush it back. Apply this onto my hair. I'm really hoping this works out because it is pretty black though. It's definitely darker than what my hair is, so it just might work out great. Alright y'all, I think that's black enough. Alright, so since I did that, I'm just gonna go ahead and comb out my ends. And I think I'm gonna just do a little braid in the back, like one big braid. I'm gonna take a rubber band and just secure the ends of it so the braid doesn't come out. Like that. Okay. Boom. Now I'm gonna take my cap. Do I kind of just want to like, yes. So I'm gonna take my braid and push it up like this and just bobby pin it down. Like that. Then cap over it. There. The cap doesn't have to be all the way down because it is a headband wig. then I just take this and just do my edges. See, this is the part that's like crazy. I think I have to get like a napkin just to like wipe it. So I have my wet napkin and I have my dry one. So what should I do? Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do my edges first. Take my napkin and just kind of wipe it off. Take my edge booster and just well, I think I'm gonna just leave it like this, honestly. I'll put a little bit more black, or should I even do that? Spray a little bit of this olive oil mist, just because I feel like it does look a little bit dry. Okay, so here's the hair. Just gonna flop it over it and bring it up. And there is a little the headband can be like stuck down, but it is a little bit loose. So for this video, I think I'm just gonna tie it and call it a day. Okay y'all, so this is the wig. I basically just sprayed a bunch of water on it, and this is how it looks. I think it looks really natural. It's really pretty. You can also catch it up into like a ponytail or anything you want to do. You could literally do a lot of stuff with this wig. You just have to make sure that the headband is secured in the back, and you can do a bunch of different hairstyles. You could catch it up into a bun. And do this. You can literally do whatever you want to do with it. And alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I think it looks pretty natural. You could do a whole bunch of styles with it. As you guys can see, I just kind of like catched it up. You could do like a bun with it. I look crazy. You can do a bun at the top and then leave the rest out. It's really up to you, but I'm gonna just leave it like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Everything will be in the description. The link of the hair, their website will be in the description. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will be posting pictures with this headband wig on, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.